truck holds lots of. Harold fills up, then heads out. Lilac loves the. So Harold pulls her with a fast boat. Where's her boat? Where's her hair bow? And what does she have on? Jacket? What's on? How many jackets?
2.
One. Yeah. Good job. A unicycle has only one. Harold pedals round and go, Harold. Go, Harold. Go. Yep. Harold wants to visit Outer. Essie, Harold wants to visit Outer. This rocket ship will take him. Driving in. Truck is fun. Harold gives his friends. Essie. Harold gives his friend a. What's this say? Yeah. Look at this picture. What does that say? Harold sounds the alarm of a shiny red. What, Essie? What's this say? Ding ding. Harold and Lilac are tired and need to get back. This taxi cab will do the trick. Harold is sleepy. It's time for tomorrow is sure to bring new adventures. The end.